Unko Paul gonna go Hele onto Kauai. Hit it, bud.
There's a place I recall, not too big, in fact it's kind of small. The people there know they've got it all, the simple life for me. Hele onto Kauai, Hanalei by the bay, Wailua River Valley, it's there I used to play. Canyons of Waimea, standing all aglow, magic of the garden isle is calling me back home. When I was young, not too smart, I left my home looking for a brand new start, to find a place that's better still. And now I know I never will. Hele onto Kauai, Hanalei